Hi guys, this is AJ TV and this is AJ, and I am very excited for this video because we're gonna react to our favorite Indonesian girl group, and that's Nona. And I will do my best to speak in Bahasa Indonesia. So for my Indonesian friends, please let me know if I did it right. So let's go. Halo, nama saya AJ dan selamat datang di AJ TV. Saya orang Filipino dan kita akan bereaksi terhadap grup Indonesia favorit saya, Nona. Okay, I hope I did it right. So by the way, this is AJ TV. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and let's go and react to Nona. Oh, very province feels. Oh, sorry, wait. Do they have a, yeah.
Baby, why you keep on standing in my light?
Yeah.
Stop, you don't wanna get no closer, cause I touch like midnight in July. I know that look, I've seen it before, and I'm pretty score. Get you right, I want ya. How you like that, baby? But way too busy
Ooh.
yourself. Anybody else won't see me coming. I'm coming straight for the heart. You never see this never looking this true. My favorite part.
Oh, that kid is so cute. That dog is so cute. Straight from the heart. Guys, I like the music video. It's very simple, but still amazing. Is that Mayon? We have a volcano in the Philippines. It's called Mayon Volcano. A perfect also, just like that. Oh, it's not a volcano, I think. They're all gorgeous. Simply gorgeous.
I've seen it before, and I keep score. I got you right where I want ya. How you like that, baby? Was way too busy playing yourself. Ain't nobody else won't see me coming, but I'm coming straight for the heart.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Playing yourself. Ain't nobody
I like the
else
falls.
coming, but
So beautiful.
straight for the heart. You never see this never looking this true. My favorite part.
Oh, they're so charming.
I've seen it before, not on the floor. Get you right where I want ya. How you like that, baby? Ooh, been way too busy playing yourself, and nobody else won't see me coming. I'm coming straight for the heart. You never see this type of look, it's so cute. My favorite part.
Yeah, I'm smiling all the time. I mean, all throughout the video because I find it so charming of them guys. So this is their first song.
I can't look at this when I show you. Don't touch me, you know it's
Oh, it's so cute. Those children are cute. Island girls from Indonesia, you rock, Nona. So there you go. That is a reaction to their debut song, Shoot. Let's go back. Here we go. Yeah. Guys, the first seconds of this song, it's really a banger already. I love this. One more. Indonesia. Rollerblade, rollerblade. This is what I love about them, guys. Even if there's only 4 of them, they make it like you know, the best among the rest. You know what I mean, guys. I like the island girl from Indonesia.
Udah siap belum? Jalan-jalan.
Jalan-jalan. I hope they have the subtitles also. I wanna see their subtitles. There's no subtitle, but anyway, that's just fine. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what was that? Again. They're so flexible, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Nice, nice. I like the steps. I think she's my bias, guys. Oh my gosh! Once again, what's her name, guys? Please let me know in the comments. They're all flexible. Damn. I like this. I like the choreo, guys. Let's do it again. Blade, 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 blade. Nice one, Nona. All of them are flexible. It's giving gymnastics. Anyway, guys, I like it. I think it's my top since this is the first reaction they have. So I put Rollerblade on my top. Next music video, we're gonna react to their latest music video, Honk. So let's go.
Look at me, look at her.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. One more. Let's go back, guys. Sorry.
Look at me.
Look at me.
In the rearview mirror, getting off it so boosted. Buckle up out of yeah. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi.
Yeah, I like the shot.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, they're so beautiful, guys.
Get on the outside.
Beep, beep.
Get on the outside.
Uncut. Beep, beep.
Get on the outside. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Drop it on face in my itty bitty waist, got my heart in your face and I always got my way.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Got that junk
What's her name, guys?
and we make it
This girl.
bounce. Drop it on face in my itty bitty waist, got my heart in your face and I always got my way.
Yeah.
With that bass and I make a speaker break.
And also her. I think all of them are beautiful.
N-O-N-A.
Yeah.
License plate. Jump to like me.
Yeah.
If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day,
Oh my god. Oh. Nice.
Get on the outcast.
I like the shots. One more. Oh. She's so beautiful, guys. I've mentioned it before. I mean, earlier. So I think she's my bias. What's her name, guys? Please help me on the comment section.
Get on the outcast. Get on the outcast.
Whoa! What's that again? They're really flexible. There you go. Wait, I hope that they also put the... Oh, sorry, what was that? I hope they also put the lyrics. The original lyrics. Oh, it's just 2 minutes. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Nice one. This is very a low-key song, but it's a banger already. So I hope that they just prolong the, they put some more raps or something, but nevertheless, it was good. It was great. So there you go, guys. That's our reaction to Honk. I like the vibes of, because I was born and raised in the Philippines, so I'm used to this kinds of sceneries. So I just miss my hometown. What's that again? Sabang Merauke? Is that a place? Sabang Merauke. Is that right? Anyway, so that's our reaction to Nona. So here we go. So there you go, guys. That is our reaction to our favorite Indonesian girl group, Nona. So I just like to do a shout out to to our subscribers. So I pinned it on my previous videos. So let's do a shout out to CHU or Chux or Chux Kayadi 19. You must watch Nona, Island Girls from Indonesia. Number 1 shoot, debut MV, Superstitious, MV and dance practice, the one acoustic version, Work and Rollerblade, the viral dance, and Honk, their new single, MV and dance. So we just reacted to their debut MV shoot, their Rollerblade music video, and their latest single, Honk. So that's for the music video as well. So thank you so much. Right, so for any comments and suggestions, you can just comment down below and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hey JTV. And you may also follow my social media handles. So these are my social media handles on Instagram or TikTok. So by the way, this is AJ TV and I am AJ, and thank you so much for joining me, and hope to see you on our next reaction video to Nona. Bye-bye.